Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my channel. Open the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a shape, adjust the shape, remove the background, select the orange color, enable button on, adjust the shape, then select the import button, go to the gallery, select another photo, adjust the photo, remove the background, select the orange color, enable button on, adjust the photo, save the photos to the save option, adjust the save confirmation, then copy the photos to the copy option, adjust the photos to the another copy, change the background, select the import button, go to the gallery, adjust the color, to back the color. Now select the 3D shape, enable button on, select the Y rotation, light angle, select the another shape, select the Y rotation, adjust the shape. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.